Hello kids, it's story time. Today, let's listen to a story about cars. The Cars and Trucks book by Todd Parr. Vroom, vroom! It's another busy day for all the cars and trucks. Some cars are fast, some cars are slow. Some buses take you to a vacation. Some buses take you to school. All cars and trucks love to be on the road. Some trucks help keep the streets clean. Some trucks help keep the earth clean. Some trucks help on the farm. Some trucks help in the city. All cars and trucks love to be clean. Some trucks deliver books. Some trucks deliver laundry. Some trucks wash dirty dogs. Some trucks serve hot dogs. All cars and trucks love to help people. Some trucks haul dirt. Some trucks play in the dirt. Some trucks carry trucks. Some trucks carry ducks. Some cars like to drive in the snow. Some cars like to drive to the beach. All cars and trucks love to say good night. Cars and trucks help us to do a lot of things, but it's also good to take the bus or ride a bike. The end. Goodbye, kids.